Hi, this is Chef Alan from Global Sugar Art with my 2-minute tips and tricks. Today's tip is how to bake a deep cake using 3 and 4-inch cake pans. The trend right now in wedding cakes is these double barrel cakes, which are 6 or 8 inches tall, and a lot of people are using deep cake pans. The trick is using a heating rod. So basically, choose whatever size pan you want. I would say anything from 10 inches or larger in diameter. Grease and flour the entire heating rod and your pan as well. Place this in the bottom of the pan and then fill your batter. On the deep pans, about 2/3 full. Bake your cake. When it's done, just flip it out and just pull the rod out. It's very easy. It doesn't leave a big hole in the cake and it allows the heat to get into the center of the cake so you don't have a gooey center and a overbaked outside of the cake. On large pans, you can even use 2 or 3 as necessary. The last part of this is bake deep cakes low and slow. For 4-inch cakes, I recommend 300 degrees Fahrenheit at the bottom third of your oven. And for 3-inch cakes, probably between 3 and 325 degrees at the bottom third of your oven. So it's very easy. Just remember, use a heating rod. These are available by Fat Daddios on our website at globalsugarart.com. And remember, the best deals are if you shop direct, globalsugarart.com. Thanks for watching.